Indo-Japanese innovation collaboration, in a sense, is nothing new. It started with the Pact of 1958 agreement for technology transfer from Japan to India, which laid the foundation of the later projects. And in 1983-84, the dream Indian middle-class car project called Maruti Suzuki was launched. And then history is completely changed the Indian automotive sector with the Japanese technology coming in. India has become an innovation hub. So to say, the intellectual property ecosystem in India has undergone a metamorphosis, and the rules have been changed. The patent office, trademark office, the design office, the entire infrastructure, including judicial infrastructure, has been completely digitized. Backlogs have been reduced. More and more transparency has come. And a very important milestone for the Indo-Japanese innovation came in 2019 when a Patent Prosecution Highway, PPH, was started between Indian and Japanese patent offices, which ceased in 2022. But under this scheme, a whole lot of patent applications of the Japanese companies were very quickly examined by the Indian Patent Office. Automobile sectors and electronics was greatly benefited. How the Indian IP ecosystem has been transformed. It started with the 2016 National IPR Policy, which talked about how to give a robust intellectual property ecosystem and landscape in the country. It started in 2021, where Delhi High Court started its specialist intellectual property division, where judges will only hear IP cases. This is followed by the Calcutta High Court, which started its own IP division, followed up by two more Indian states. Now, these IPDs, intellectual property divisions, revolutionized the IP jurisprudence in the country. They are quick, they are fair, they are efficient, and the cases are generally settled and adjudicated upon within 2 to 3 years, or maybe even less. Indian Trademark Office keeps a list of well-known trademarks, quote unquote, which provides extra protection to those internationally renowned trademarks. 7 to 8 Japanese trademarks are in this list, such as Aiwa, Honda, Canon, Toyota, Sony, Suzuki, Toshiba, and another Suzuki logo. Indian IPDs, intellectual property divisions, they have delivered several landmark judgments in favor of all foreign multinationals working in India. Japanese companies such as Casio, Toyota, Honda, Panasonic, and Bridgestone have secured very important rulings in their favor in the cases of IP infringement and counterfeiting. They also won damages from the Indian High Court, especially Delhi High Court. Delhi High Court IP division has also ruled on very important issues such as standard essential patents, SEP, and FRAND terms, FRAND, FRAND terms. So Indian courts are not only resolving disputes, they are reshaping the country's IP landscape. And the legacy of Indo-Japanese collaboration will continue. In fact, Indian Patent Office has just released draft guidelines in terms of patenting AI inventions, blockchains, and Internet of Things. These are going to be the game changers for Japanese innovation. So I'm very hopeful that the robust intellectual property regime will greatly benefit Japanese innovations in the coming years. Thank you very much.